YouTube? Back for another video. Today we're sorting this out. So how are we going to sort it out? So what we've got here is a Rusty Lee single seat swivel base. We are going to fit this onto the passenger side seat, the seat we converted last year from the double bench seat into the single seat we've got now. Did a video on that last year, so I'll drop a link in if you're interested in that and seeing how that conversion goes. But we said taking it a stage further now, and we are going to drop in this. So we've then got swivel seat capability on the passenger side. So let's get on with it. Okay, so now we've got the seat out, we're ready to put this in. So what I've done is I've twizzled it slightly, so it's now the top part and the bottom part are now offset. So this is the way it's going to go up, sort of with this side up. So what we'll see here, this is just going to drop onto the standard single base with form fixings. So this is going to go on using the fixings that we've taken off. You'll see that they are elongated, and apparently that's to give you a little bit of space just in case the seat bases are you know, I don't think the manufacturer is that precise, looking at, you know, based on my research in doing this. But there is one, you'll see this one there, and well, that'll come out, that is the size of the thread, so that locates it on properly. So you've got room then, if it's not, I don't know, I guess 100% square, or you've just got a bit of play just in case it don't line up perfectly. So that'll go straight onto the base with the existing fixings, and then the top bounce, so this is where the seat's going to mount on. We get some new fixings, so we'll take these off first, and then we'll put the seat back on this, and then you've just got the lever. So you flick that and then it allows you to spin it round. So that goes to the front, so that'll go pointing towards the dashboard as well. So it'll fit on that way if I'm stood behind it. Right, let's get on with it. Right, now that's in, we've spun it back round into its lock position, so that's where you'll have it when it's driving. Now I'm going to put the seat back on and bolt it up with the existing, with the new bolts, and just drop the seat back in. So, job done, not too bad, not too much swearing. Created a lot more space now. This is a modification I should have done a long time ago even. I was going to do it on the bench seat, but then when I decided to convert to single, there was no point doing it, so we had to wait a bit longer. And then obviously buying this seat weren't cheap. And yeah, so we've had to wait a little while, but it's done now. I think this will be great when it's done. Rusty Lee's, ordered it direct from them as well. Spoke to them direct on phone. They were like super nice, super helpful. So I recommend dealing with them. They were dead easy to deal with. Arrived next day. etc. No problems whatsoever. Solid bit of kit. A lot of people recommend these bases, so that's why I went with it. Solid mech. I am toying with idea of a rock and roll bed, getting rid of this, going with rock and roll. I think we'll go with one of theirs as well, so watch this space. Obviously we've already done passenger side as well. We will do this at some point, but depending on what happens with bed, obviously there's not much point at the minute because this bed's in situ and you spin it round, it's just not going to be great. But that'll be something we do eventually. So stay tuned for all of that, kicking more videos out. I'm hoping I'm going to do it this payday, but I think it'll be next payday. So that'll be like end of August. I'm going to order the rear brake kit, which is very exciting, so we can get sort of finish with the external mods as well. And yeah, there is a plan to do comfort dash upgrade at some point, when I don't know. Might be next spring now with that, but stay tuned. I'm going to try and kick out some more camping videos as well. Tickets are booked for Busfest, so I'm going to try and do a little bit more video wise than what I've done on that previously, so stay tuned for all that. Subscribe if you're interested, but yeah, more stuff coming. See you in the next one.